Hi everyone, my name is Abigail Yakat and I'm a solutions architect from the Philippines. I'm very excited to share more about networking in AWS today. If you have any question or want to learn more, you can contact us via the links in the description box. If you have suggestions on what other topics you like, just pop them in the comment box or contact us via the links. In the next 5 minutes or so, we will discuss AWS Global Footprint, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud or VPC, Elastic Load Balancing or ELB, and Amazon Route 53. We will then have a quick demo to show you how these services work together. Our customer base and your users may be global, and we want to help you deliver fast and secure network. This is why AWS continues to invest in our global network. AWS has 25 regions with additional 7 upcoming, 81 availability zones, more than 230 edge network locations, and redundant 100 gigabits per second links with encrypted network traffic. There is a private network backbone between all AWS regions, CloudFront points of presence, and direct connect locations. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud or VPC lets you provision a logically isolated section of AWS Cloud where you can launch AWS resources in a virtual network that you define. You have complete control over your virtual networking environment, including selection of your own IP address ranges, creation of subnets, and configuration of route tables and network gateways. You can also create a hardware virtual private network or VPN connection between your corporate data center and your VPC and leverage the AWS cloud as an extension of your corporate data center. Our virtual network has been designed from the ground up with security in mind. Given the design of the underlying software-defined network, many of the traditional network security concerns, such as IP address spoofing, are not considered to be valid packets within VPC and are simply dropped. We also have a number of customer-facing services that can be used to manage the security of your network, from security groups to detailed flow logs for all flows within your private network. More and more, we're seeing customers use networks that have no internet connectivity and utilize our VPC endpoints and private link features to access the AWS services that they need. Elastic Load Balancing, or ELB, provides a suite of highly available load balancers that are able to scale for the most volatile workloads, from Application Load Balancer for HTTPS workloads to Network Load Balancer. How to resolve domain names to IP address using AWS? Use Amazon Route 53. Route 53 is an AWS DNS service for domain registration and domain name resolution. It has 100% availability SLA and is able to support both public and private DNS. Route 53 is able to perform health checks on your web applications, perform DNS failover, and global routing such as latency-based, weighted round-robin, and geolocation routing. For us to better understand how VPC, ELB, and Route 53 work together, let's have a quick demo. In this demo, I have created two VPCs in two separate regions, one VPC in Singapore and one VPC in Sydney. In each VPC, I created an application load balancer, or ALB, that forwards requests to two EC2 instances, one EC2 instance for each availability zone. I have created a Route 53 public domain that has a record that performs geolocation-based routing between Sydney and Singapore. This means requests from Sydney users are forwarded to Sydney ALB, and requests from Singapore users are forwarded to Singapore ALB, while using the same URL or DNS record. Let's start. And here I am showing two servers I am connected to from my local machine. One server is in Sydney, or AP Southeast 2, and one server is in Singapore, or AP Southeast 1. I have a simple application that is deployed in these two regions and able to access via a single URL, which is multiregionapp.pocinAWS.com. This record is in a Route 53 public hosted zone. This application prints out certain information about the server, such as the current date and time in UTC, the ID, availability zone, and private IP address of the EC2 instance where the application is deployed. If I visit multiregionapp.poc in AWS.com from my Sydney server, the requests are load balanced by an ALB into two servers in different availability zones within a Sydney VPC. If I visit multiregionapp.poc in AWS.com from my Singapore server, as you can see, the requests are load balanced by an ALB into two servers in different availability zones within a Singapore VPC. And that is one of the many ways how Route 53, ALB, and VPC work together. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. We're here to help you if you have any questions. Please feel free to click on the links in the description box.